In this video, we're going to look at how to add page numbers to Microsoft Word. Now, I'm using Office 365, and these steps will work with earlier versions. However, earlier versions. However, earlier versions of Word may have different arrangements in the workspace, toolbars, ribbons. So we're going to look at how to add page numbers, how to add page numbers to different places, how to format page numbers, how to remove the page number from the first page, and how to start the second page with page number 1. So you need to notice, start with page numbers added to the top of a page will be inserted to the header, added to the bottom of the page will be inserted to the footer. If you don't already have headers and footers created, it will create them automatically for you. If you do have headers and footers already created, when you insert the numbers, any existing text or elements will be deleted, will be removed. So to avoid that from happening, you should always add your page numbers first to your headers and footers, and then you can go back and edit your headers and footers and put whatever else you want in there. So to add a page number, we'll start with at the Insert tab. Then we'll go over to the header footer group, we'll select page number. And you'll notice we have different places we can put it. We can put it top of the page, bottom of the page, page margins, or current position. Current position happens to be wherever your cursor is. And if your cursor is in the body of the page, it will only add a number to that page. So let's start with we'll just go with the top one for this example. So we have page number 1 here. The header was automatically created. Now, let's say, first I have 4 pages here, so let's just show it to you. You'll notice number 2, number 3, number 4. Had I put them in the footer, it would have done it there. Okay. So let's look at how we might format these numbers. So we're going to go back up to that You'll notice you have your header and footer tab had showed up here. So we're going to work over here, and we're going to select page number. And we're going to go to format page numbers, and you got things you can do. You can change the numbering scheme. Let's say I want to use Roman numerals instead. So I'm going to go like that. And now you'll notice we have Roman numerals. Start with Roman numeral number 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? Let's go back and let's change that back. Let's say I didn't want to start with page number 1, but I wanted to start with, say, page number 5. So we're going to go back here, format numbers. Down here it says continue from previous section. It's going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, if I want to start with page 5, I'll just enter that number right there or use these arrows. And you'll notice that turns to 5. We'll go down here and we're going to look 6, 7, 8. So let's go ahead and change that back to number 1. Alright. Okay, let's say you wanted to remove the page number from the first page. Say it's a title page or whatever. First thing you want to do, you want to go up here and you want to select different first page. Right here in this little box right here. And then we're going to select over here. We're going to go over here to edit header. Which it already did that for me. So we've removed the first page number. And after we remove the first page number, we want to make this one here start at number 1. So we're going to go back here to page number and format page number and select start at 0. And you'll notice there's no number up there. And we're starting with number 1 because the title page is page 0. When you're finished with all this, just close the header. And now you have your page numbering. So that's really all there is to it. If this has helped you, how about leaving a like, comment, and subscribe. You have a good day.